Hello everybody, this is Beau Badette with my review of the Sonoff 433 MHz RF bridge. It's a component you could buy on eBay for about $15 ship for most US sellers, a little bit less from overseas sellers. It allows you to program up to four 433 MHz 4-channel remote controls into a single cell phone application. It's simple to use. You pair it with your cell phone, then you add remote interfaces to your application, and then you learn the buttons from each remote into that application. You can label them with whatever you want to label them with. I went with that for my labels. It's a very easy device to use, but when you're programming your remotes, depending upon the quality, you sometimes have to push the button multiple times to get it to work. It requires a 5-volt DC USB power supply that it doesn't come with, so you got to have one of those available. I'll go ahead and show you how it works here. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not exactly simple. Okay. It's just an on-off switch. I mean, it's nothing fancy. But it does make things more convenient. There is some feedback on the cell phone when you press the button. It's a great little gadget. If you have remote controls that you don't know what frequency they operate at, you can actually get on the internet and you can Google them and find out what the FCC ID is for them, and that'll tell you what the frequency that they operate at. I have one remote control that unfortunately isn't 433 megahertz. It's for my hoist. It's a 335, I believe, so I couldn't program that one in, but for control of the lighting, this one does just fine. And I really have enjoyed using it to control my room. If you have any questions, post them in the thread below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.